If you learn how to draw the Grinch's hand like this, you can get creative and add whatever you want him to hold. My name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years. Follow along with me and I'll show you just how it's done. I like to start with drawing paper that has some center guidelines added. If you draw them lightly with a pencil, they really help, and they can always be erased when you're all finished. Step number 1. Let's start with the end of the sleeve, which is a kind of puffy oval. Draw it with a smooth edge on the left, and then add some scallop shapes on the right. Next comes the inside curved line. Notice it doesn't quite touch the top or the bottom of that oval, and then add the edges of the sleeve when you're done. Step number 2. Okay, the hand is going to start with the bend of the wrist. It's a curve that goes up a bit and then comes back down on the left side of the paper. Step number 3. The large finger is going to be a graceful curve like this. Continue your line down past the center line and make a point, and then come back up. Step number 4. Now comes the beginning of the thumb. Start where you left off, draw a small angled line up, and a curve down that touches the other finger. Step number 5. The thumb end is going to be pointy too. Draw a line that goes up and round it out a little bit at the end. The wrist is then finished with a line that goes back to the sleeve. Add yours like I'm doing here, and then erase the inside line so it looks like the puffy band is going around the wrist. Step number 6. Now it's time to add the rest of the curvy fingers. Start with the middle one, which is a little shorter than the first. Step number 7. Then the next 2 fingers get shorter and shorter. Try to have the ends spread evenly apart and with the same amount of pointiness. I think that's what makes them look so graceful. Step number 8. Okay, time to add whatever the Grinch is holding. I'm adding an ornament, so I'm starting with the simple kind of string and a ring shape that comes down from between his fingers. Feel free to switch things up on your drawing though. There are all kinds of things that the Grinch could be holding. Next comes a simple cap shape that is the top of the ornament. It could get some more texture lines added inside if you want. And finally, the ball shape that's underneath the cap. Just do your best to make it look as round as you can. I find working slowly and drawing lightly always helps, in case I need to go back and fix something. Step number 9. Alright, this Grinch hand drawing is done, so it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. This step really needs to be done slowly too, so that you can stay on those lines as much as possible. As always, this is the time where I recommend erasing any of those little pencil lines that might still be showing. It really will make your drawing look a lot neater. Okay, it's finally coloring time. We only need a few colors, but a light yellow-green is definitely one of them. That ornament string could be any color at all, but I'm going to make mine a golden yellow. And then comes the red color that fills the sleeve, and in my case, the ornament too. The background of my Grinch drawing is getting a snowy treatment, so that means starting out by drawing lots and lots of circles with my blue crayon. They are about the size of a pea. Afterwards, some careful coloring needs to happen around those circles. Their shapes need to stand out if they're really going to look like little snowflakes. So there you have it, my finished Grinch hand drawing. My name's Kathy, and my website has been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years, where you can find over 700 step-by-step drawing lessons. They include how to draw the Grinch and how to draw Max, his dog. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you keep on drawing.